Hey guys, Keith here, and we're going to do an unboxing today. One of my first on the channel. Normally I don't do these, but I bought a Gopro Hero5 session from Costco, and it came with a bunch of goodies inside. It was kind of a multi-pack, so I'm going to open that up and show you, and I'll tell you the price. So come on back. Okay guys, we're going to open this up. Like I said, this came from Costco. It says it's got free technical support, camera, camcorder, tablets, cell phones. I guess you gotta be smarter than the box. I don't know. I think I would like destroying this. Boy, I don't think they want you to get into this. Oh, that's a little silly. Okay, so in the box they got, it's like a cover. They got some instructions. They have the little session. So as you can see, it's just a tiny little thing. And that's what I was looking for, because I'm looking for something that I can take into different scenarios and where it's not such a big camera. So that's the reason I bought that. Okay, so now inside here it comes with, looks like a mounting. It came with a memory card, a 16 gig memory card. Came with some USB cords for probably charging, a couple of different types of mounting brackets. This one's kind of, oh, this is a clip, so you can clip it on. I don't know if you can see that. It's kind of a clip with a foam backing. I wonder if that's for your, when you have a strap maybe? Yeah, I don't know. This looks like it's the chest strap. No, I don't imagine they make these to fit everybody, because, oh no, this is for your head. So this goes on like this. And if you wanted to film with your head strap. Okay, what else we got? It did also come with a GoPro handle, so you can film with it. And that looks like that's it. So it came with a bunch of cool stuff. The cost, I believe, was $2.79 Canadian, and yeah, to me, I think it's a good deal. Costco was kind of liquidating these, so I'm not 100% sure. I don't know if these have batteries or not, or you just charge the session. There you go, folks. There's the unboxing of the Costco Hero5 session, and yeah, I'll let you know what I think of it. I'll do a review on this after I use it for a bit and let you guys know what I think. Thanks for coming out. And you guys have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video.